Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a festive, crowd-pleasing appetizer that is delicious as it is beautiful. Whether you're planning a cozy family gathering or a big holiday bash, this dish will add a touch of holiday magic to your table. So grab your ingredients and let's get started on this easy, impressive recipe that will make your Christmas party unforgettable.
To prepare the traditional beef Wellington, you need mainly three things: the puff pastry, the mix of mushrooms that is called duxelle, and obviously the beef. But for this occasion, I am going to give it a twist and I am going to use BRIE. Now I have all the ingredients ready, so let's get started.
Start by cleaning the mushrooms with a damp paper towel or a soft brush. Avoid washing them because we want a dry duxelle. Now let's chop the mushrooms. You can use a knife, but a food processor or something like this makes the process much easier.
Now I am going to cut out the shallots in small pieces.
Now let's start cooking this duxelle. For this, you can use a large skillet or a cocotte. Heat your cocotte over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons
of unsalted butter and a little bit of olive oil.
Once the butter melts, add the chopped shallots and saute until they are fragrant and translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to add the mushrooms. Add them to the pan and sprinkle it with a generous pinch of salt to draw out the moisture. This step is crucial. Mushrooms release a lot of water, so keep cooking and stirring until all the liquid evaporates. Add another splash of olive oil. It can take from 8 to 10 minutes, but don't rush it. A dry duxelle is key to preventing a soggy Wellington. Now I am going to add the fresh oregano leaves, but you can also use thyme.
Now let's cover the cocotte and cook for about 5 minutes.
Now I am going to uncover the cocotte and I am going to let all the liquids evaporate. Pay attention and stir constantly.
If you feel that the mushrooms are starting to stick on the pan, you can add a little bit of olive oil.
Once the mushrooms are dry and golden, add the splash of dry cherry and cook for about 2 or 3 more minutes until the alcohol evaporates and this mix is going to smell amazing. Meanwhile your duxelle is cooking, you can take out of the freezer your puff pastry. Mastering the duxelle is just one step to making an unforgettable Wellington. With this rich mushroom layer, you'll ensure every bite is packed with flavor. Now let's put together our BRIE Wellington. I am going to put a layer of prosciutto on top of my puff pastry. A generous amount of duxelle, a delicious BRIE on top. I am going to wrap it up. Right now is a good time to preheat your oven at 400 Fahrenheit degrees. Brush it with egg wash. And for a festive look, I am going to add another layer of puff pastry. And also I am going to brush it with egg wash, and I am going to do some pinchings before put them in the oven. And this BRIE Wellington is ready to be baked. I am going to bake it at 400 Fahrenheit degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until it is very nice and golden. Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh, it looks amazing! Now, before cutting it, I am going to let it rest for a couple of minutes. Oh my goodness, I hope that you can give it a try to this recipe because you're not going to regret it. It is so delicious and also beautiful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much for watching. Happy cooking and see you next time. Bye bye.